You are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar, and today we're going to talk about the LightHealth Professional Console certificate requirements. So, important notice for Ahpc registration: all the LightHealth professionals must provide verified educational documents for registration due to the presence of fake credentials affecting the process. So, this is the valid information from Allied Health Professional Council website. Registration requirement part 1. Number 1, get all the original educational documents, degree or diploma or certificate attested by HEC and MOFA, Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Number 2, applicants without pre-attested documents should not apply. Number 3, submit the original copy of all the HEC attested documents. Number 4, provide a photocopy of HEC attested documents to Ahpc. Number 5, Number 5, all the educational credentials must be attested before registration. 6, incomplete or unverified applications will not be accepted. Important note, all the applicants must get their educational documents attested by HEC beforehand. Applications without the attestation documents will be rejected. So this is the information provided by Ahpc. For further details, contact Ahpc Islamabad and ensure all the documents are verified before submission to avoid any delay. Thank you for watching this video. Remember me in your prayers.